Hey, I'm Liv. Happy Inauguration Day. I am so happy. I'm in my inauguration clothes, my AOC style lipstick, and we're going to be opening a Lip Monthly bag. Didn't think you'd see another one of these, did you? Me neither, so let's do it. Hopefully you can't hear anything going on outside. I'm on my lunch break. I'm super excited. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy that the Tangerine Tyrant is gone. I don't talk about it. I'm so sorry if you can hear stuff outside or my dog or whatever, but this is when we can film. This is when we're gonna do it. It's gonna be fast and painless, I hope. That is my dog freaking out outside. We have the front door open for him so he can see what's going on. Here's our bag. So here's the deal. I canceled Lip Monthly a while ago, and then I got a just ship notice. I contacted them and was like, what's going on with this, please? I never want to see you ever again. We're breaking up. And they were like, actually, this is from the previous month. So I guess this is December. We are Inauguration Day, so January 20th. So I was like, okay, cool, as long as it's canceled. But I just got my Copacetic Cosmetics order. They're a lovely indie brand. I didn't even think about the fact that it was late. It was from December, but I got it a week ago. And they had a note in it, and actually I have it right here, a little discount code saying, so sorry that this was late. That is a wonderful way to address issues, is to address it before it becomes an issue. Lip Monthly, I feel like they make it so you have to contact them, and then they're kind of not the nicest when you do. And I've contacted them about things before, about trying to make sure that I'm getting the product that I ordered, like why I was getting 3 of non-lip product kind of thing. Anyways, I don't like them. I don't like their customer service. It's not the hardest thing to get better at. And so there, you can get better at it, Lip Monthly. Just get better at your customer service and then a lot will be forgiven. All right, so let's open this. It's the same kind of not great canvas bag that we normally get. Let's see what's in here. I'm obviously not going to try anything on because I have my Always Red Sephora liquid lip cream on already. So we have Merry and Bright. How very Christmassy. It's literally 60 degrees here. I'm so ecstatic. I can't wait to get off work and toast to the new president, to the end of tyranny. I know this is not the end. This is just the beginning. We have a lot of work to do to make a better country. I'm in it for the long haul. Are you? Let's do this together. Yes? Okay. Merry and Bright. Very Christmassy. Talks about the stuff that's in here. Okay, let's see. Folly Fire. We have Matte Manipulation, a creamy matte lipstick. I guess Folly Fire is the brand? I don't know. The color is Sunset Boulevard and it's looking very nice. Now, Lip Monthly, they keep sending kind of nice product, to be honest. So here's our lipstick, kind of nice looking little case. And the lipstick inside is not as exciting looking as I thought it was gonna be, but it's just fine. It's just fine. Looks like sort of a deep mauve neutral. The case feels quite light and plasticky, a little cheaper than it looks, I think, but okay, what do we have here? Kaleido Cosmetics Crazy Foil. It's a unicorn activated eyeshadow. We've gotten one of these before. I hope that it's a nice color, because the last one I got, I think it was 2 different colors and I haven't used it much. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is 2 different colors again, but they are colors that I quite like. We have sort of a deep reddy brown and a deep olive, which sounds great to me. Let's watch them. Get the reddy brown that feels nice and creamy. These felt really nice. I'm not sure why I didn't use them, but I guess I just don't want 2 little shimmers in a split pan sort of thing. All right, we're gonna do swatches on scars. We're gonna pop our brownie reddy thing over there, and just below it we will put the olivey shades. So they didn't swatch as, no, actually that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Nice and reflective, looks like an excellent quality, and actually looks deeper than I initially thought. It's kind of interesting because at certain aspects, at certain angles, you can't see it that much, like there, but then it's like, whoa. So that's actually really nice. I like that. I think that if they had 2 of your favorite combinations of shimmers in one, then that could be a nice acquisition. And actually blue and gold, which is what I got before, and brown and olive are both single combinations that I like a lot. Okay, Naked Cosmetics Lip Scrub. Now I've actually gotten Naked Cosmetics. They had like a glitter stack that I got in something, like a BoxyCharm or something, and I gave it away because it was all neutral. So lip scrub is very much up my alley. I don't love sticking my fingers in pots. I'm kind of sick of that. But if this is a nice emollient mixture, then ooh. Do you see why I oohed? That looks like a very nice emollient mixture. It looks like something I could totally rub on my finger as a balm and buff into my lips and really enjoy the experience of that. I've not been liking lip scrubs, doesn't smell like anything, but I've not been liking lip scrubs that are too crumbly, because then like I'll get on my finger and then there's sugar crumbling everywhere and then it's crumbling on my lips and stuff. So side note, the scent is vanilla cream is what it says, but I don't smell it. Okay, we have one more item and it's quite big. What is this? Another cargo thingy, lip contour 2-in-1. What is this? There's only so much effort I'm willing to put into anything. So picture perfect lip contour. Ooh, here. Let me show you. So we have this double-sided thingy over here. Oh, it's a twisty off. I was like, why is that not pulling off? Okay, this is what I was somewhat dreading. So we have a little spongy part on this side with some kind of material that I'm assuming is the sort of concealer portion. It is a light powder. It's a very light powder that is coming out of that side. And I assume you click it. I don't know. Let's see what the other side is before I start twisting too much. And then the other side is our lip product. So that's the lip product, which looks fine. It looks thin enough to be a lip liner, thick enough to do okay as a lipstick. Did I just squish it? No. Okay, good. God, I hate when I put the lid on and you don't know how long the inside is and I squish stuff. Okay, let's see if there are instructions in here. Okay, so this says, it's very difficult to read. Can you see that? It's quite hard to read, I would say, for anyone probably. So what it says here is it's light diffusing pigments to create the illusion of fuller lips. So oftentimes people do this by putting on a lipstick and then dabbing a lighter shade of gloss on the bottom of their lip there. So sorry if you can hear people emptying dumpsters outside, but they gotta work. So on the bottom of their lip there, or over here and over here. Do you know what I mean? So like to sort of enhance the fullness, the appearance of fullness. So I think that what this is you put on this deep lipstick and then you must tap on this powdered highlight in those spots. So we could try that quickly. Let's zoom in. I personally don't love that it's a powder. It's not really a material that I like on my lips much. And I don't have the need for eyebrows today. Oh well. So we'll give it a shot though. I'll hit that right there. Ooh. I mean, we see what they're trying to do, right? And so now we have the effect of a gloss, but it's not going anywhere as much. So I'll tap that in there. And it looks like the lipstick itself that's in here is darker than what I'm wearing. So you'll have a more notable appearance. And then you could highlight like a little there. Now granted, I can't see very well because I'm using the tiny little screen on the camera, but you can tell what I mean. It's just highlight a little over there, another there. Now it's an interesting concept if it's matte. So if the lipstick itself is matte, then I could see why you would do this. And then you would have sort of a smudge proof gloss effect lip. Ooh, I can see it coming out, but I can't tell where I'm applying it. I think the bottom is very nice though. Well, from what I can see, it'll be interesting when I edit it on my big computer screen. I'm like, ooh, what were you doing, lip? So let's test out this lipstick on my hand and see how matte it seems. I mean, since this is a crayon, I'm assuming it is a creamy crayon, which I wouldn't necessarily do with this. So if I was using a creamy crayon, then I'd probably just blot it and follow up with a gloss. Is how I like to do stuff. Okay, let's draw this over here, and then we'll do another one next to it for wiggly, and let's smudge this other one and see how it looks. Yeah, so what we have is a creamy lipstick. Not a lipstick, a lipstick, which I find less sticky than a lipstick. So I'd probably even more likely use it with the lipstick that we got, the actual lipstick. Anyways, let's zoom in really close. Now I can sort of see some of that. I mean, it's a cool effect. It definitely looks like a gloss, but I would do it with a liquid lipstick that is staying for a long time if you want a little more pizzazz. It would be fun if there were different colors of this, like a blue one and you had a pink lipstick. So you had like a blue highlight, like an ice blue. That would be really fun actually. I would buy that. I would wear that. That'd be awesome. Okay, let's zoom out and finish up. The Lip Monthly Plus bag, they show you what you got, and it was like a face highlighter, face oil, and a cartel lipstick. Okay, so glad that I've canceled Lip Monthly. I just don't like them. The products are nice enough. They come out with a good chunk of nice products. But I've had enough of lip products. I'm lucky enough to have a whole bunch that I love, one of which I'm wearing right now, and I don't like their vibe. Good customer service goes so far. Anyways, if you got Lip Monthly this month, I would love to hear your thoughts about it. If you got this weird highlighty contour thingy, most certainly. Or if you've tried anything like this before. What I was really scared it was gonna be was the thing where you contour and put shadow under your lips and then you conceal around. You know what I mean? I'm not even sure the whole process, but it's like make it look like you have fuller lips, and that's way more effort than I'm willing to do. Okay. Let me know what you thought of this bag. If you got it, if you're interested, let me know too. If you have any questions, put them down below. And if you have any recommendations of other subscription boxes, then give them to me now, or I will continue to gesture wildly with this thing. Wherever you are, I hope you're having the best day that you possibly can. Be kind to the people around you. Celebrate the new presidency, the first woman and woman of color vice president, MVP if I may. And thanks for hanging out.